We recently got a new butcher block countertop, and we want to keep the wood safe. So today, we're cutting down on that spilled water with the help of our new Faucet Splash Guard. And this guard comes shipped to your door, ready to protect your countertop as well. Inside the box, you have two halves of your splash guard. They're made out of diatomite and designed to dry quickly. They measure in at 23.6 inches by 3.9 inches and are super easy to use. The kit also comes with a sandpaper circle to help clean the stone. I grabbed the two halves and slid it around the sides of the faucet. And like that, we're done. I gave it a test and set up a time lapse to see how quickly it dries. And I was really impressed. Watching the footage back and fast forward, you can really see how unique the diatomite is. Not only does it dry quickly, but it uses the grooves and absorbs the water in a cool pattern. You can literally see it moving in and out as it dries. Pretty cool. Now we have a safe spot to set our stirring spoons, sponges, soap, or whatever else, and I couldn't be happier. However, I do have a couple of notes. The opening in the middle is 2.5 inches, so you need to make sure that your faucet will fit this. It also won't fit on any of these types of sinks or faucets, so you need to make sure that your sink will work with this as well. Lastly, if it ever becomes less absorbent, you can use the sandpaper to sand it down, clean it up, and bring back its absorbency. So if this works with your type of sink, I highly recommend it. It does as it's advertised, and in my opinion, looks really nice. It fits in with our kitchen and doesn't look out of place. So if you're looking to protect your sink as well, this Diatomite Splash Guard might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go make a tea. See ya.